Good afternoon. So today we are here at the Heath Golf and Yacht Club, and I am doing a tour here at the CastleRock Communities home builders. So we are going to be taking a look at this particular model home. It is the Laguna 3. It is $42.99 square foot. There's going to be a lot of options in here, so not everything is standard, but I'll try to hit a few little nuggets for you and give you an idea of what kind of options you have when you build with them. All right, so we're going to go ahead and come on in through the front door. And as soon as you come in, you see this amazing staircase going all the way up with a little loft area so that you can look down over the foyer area. So as you can see, this is a very decent size formal dining room. This is an 8-seater, looks like an 8-foot table, and there's still plenty of room on the other side as well. So check it out. So we're going to scoop this back in. Great for entertaining. And then from here, we're going to take a look at the high ceilings, open floor plan. Look at those windows, how high they are. And we're talking like they're all the way up here. Yes, I have notes because there's a lot of homes that I tour. So let's take a look at this amazing open floor plan. Okay, so over here, as you can see, these ceilings are super escalated over here, right? Vaulted ceilings. And check out this amazing fireplace, how the tile goes all the way up to the top. So now I'm just gonna turn this camera around so that you can see the kitchen. So if you're anything like me and you love to entertain or just love Christmas, this island right here is amazing for, you can use it as like a buffet, or if you're doing sugar cookies during the Christmas time, so much space. You also have an oven here, another oven here. This is actually a microwave oven. And then look at all the space that you have with these cabinets. And they're the kind of cabinets that when you close them, they're soft closes. So then you have all your drawers, again, very nice cabinets everywhere. And with this kitchen island, you have drawers here as well. And then you have this beautiful houndstooth style backsplash. Let's go take a look outside. So one of the unique things about this particular builder in this specific neighborhood is that they're the only ones that really have a balcony. Look at that amazing balcony. So you can entertain. It's almost like another space for entertaining, right? And this is on a 90-foot lot. So it's an enormous backyard. Let me show you a frontal view. So it's a covered porch, second story, and on the bottom as well. Isn't that incredible? And when we go inside, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this bay window in the primary suite. So, and again, it comes with sod, irrigation, and gutters all the way around. All right, we're entering the primary suite here. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? You got your 2 windows, and then you got this beautiful bay window here. Now the bay window is an option, it is an upgrade, but it just makes the room so spectacular. And I got this hidden little gem here that I know all you women out there are just gonna love this. So we're coming into the primary bathroom. You got his and hers sinks, but you also have his and hers closets Nice garden tub. And then coming over here, she has her own space too. Okay, now we're gonna go take a shower. Or we're just gonna walk in at least. So you have this bench area and you got a nice shower head. And what's best about it is that there is no door. Now, if you wanted a door, you can have that door, but do you really want to clean that extra glass after all? I mean, it is kind of a nice feature, but you can do it either way. And now it's time to check out the upstairs. So at the top of this specific floor plan, you actually have a secondary, I want to call it like a mini primary suite. So this would be like a really great place for either a mother-in-law or maybe the oldest or maybe your favorite kid. Just kidding. It's a great guest room, but what's really good about it is that it's got your own space, your own closet, and your own ensuite bathroom, shower, all that stuff. And it's all in one thing. So it's, like I said, I kind of like to call it the mini primary, but it's just a secondary bedroom with ensuite attached. So let's go take a look at this media room. All right, so as we're walking through, you're gonna see this space here. But there's more. So when you walk in, you think, oh, you got a nice little den. But then you come around the corner and you're like, oh, there's a media room as well. So nice little hidden gem here upstairs. And then of course, this goes out to the backyard. So as you can see, you got this outdoor space and you can fit a lot of furniture and people. It's a great place to do work from home or just enjoy a nice coffee in the morning or a glass of wine at night. And there is just so much space. So imagine being out on the golf course, because that's where a lot of the floor plans are located, the spec homes, and the rest of the lots are all located on the golf course. So you can sit and have a spectacular view all from your own home. How amazing is that? And you can work from home too. I mean, if that's what you do for a living. Okay, whew, it was windy out there. So just a nice little recap. Some of the standard features, now there's gonna be more, but just a few standard features that this particular builder carries is they provide sod in the front and the back, irrigation as well, which is really good for your foundation, especially here in Texas. They supply a security system and they have gutters all the way around, which is also very beneficial. You want those gutters. And another thing is that they have this thing, their warranty is exceptional. So they call it their 24/7, right? And so what that means is within 2 hours, you will get a call if you put in a claim, okay? And that is all in the portal online. And then within 24 hours, you will have a construction manager consult you to see what the problem is, okay? So then within 7 days, now this is their goal, okay? They want it resolved and done. So they do have an 85% success rate with this whole structure with their warranties. And that's a pretty good high success rate. And so they really care. They are all about customer service. So CastleRock Communities here in Heath, Texas. And we're at the Golf and Yacht Club here in Heath. Anyway, so if you are interested and you would like a full tour of this home, whether it's virtual or in person, you can give me a call. My name is Chris Delph. I'm with Anita Barham Realty, and you can reach me at 816-872-0083. I'm going to say that number again because, yes, it is a Kansas City number. 816-872-0083. I look forward to hearing from you, and you all have a great day.